Hello people, today we're going to learn a very interesting concept in trigonometry, okay? So now we are going to learn one concept in trigonometry. Oh no, where's my pen? Duster. Oh no. Yeah, okay. Today's video is about, okay, we have learned the value of cos A, sin A, tan theta, sec alpha, right? These angles are very familiar to do. But what if I say cos 2 alpha, cos sin 3 alpha, tan 2 theta by 3 and sec 8 alpha by 3. Solve it. This will be a bit tough. But I will teach you, okay? But you ask one thing. Sometimes we have to split it in angles, okay? So we have to split it in two angles and we have to write. How can I split it in two angles? So to clear that doubt, in this video, I'm going to explain compound angles and multiple and submultiple angles in this lecture. And I will give some example or questions. So you can solve. Yeah. Now, okay. See here, and we are going to learn some angles, very important angles. So see here, first, okay, I'll write the heading math, compound angle. See, okay, see, I have no book in front of me. Okay. I have no book. Okay. See, around me, this is just my room. I have no book around me. Okay. See, in this table, there is no book. So I am actually doing this time correct. Okay. So do not judge me. Okay. Yeah. I hope you can see the board. Yes, you can. Okay. Compound angles. See here. Now, in compound angles, we are going to learn some formulas. See, I will ask the value of sin A. What sin A? What do you understand by sin A? It's a trigonometric function. I never asked that. Sin A, what do you understand in sin A is, in the sense, here, how can I rewrite it as? Some people say 1 by cosec A. I do not want that. Okay, solve this value and can you tell me what you will get? You cannot solve it. You cannot solve this value. That's why you cannot solve this value. That's why we either put A angle quadrant we put, or otherwise we will just say sin A value itself, or we'll just tell it indirectly sin square A, or we'll just put sin square A plus cos square B, where B is equal to 60 degrees, like that we can say, is equal to some value 2, like that we can say, and then we can find sin A value. If I plainly give you sin A, you cannot find it. Now, what if I give you sin A plus B, cos A plus B, tan A plus B, right? For this one, how can you find it? Okay, there are some series of formulas that you need to follow. Okay. See, the first main thing I tell is, please do not rely on derivation itself. Please do not rely on derivation. Derivation is it comes very important in physics, like in connected bodies and other types of things. Okay, but it does not come in the sense, it's not important when it comes to trigonometric functions, because trigonometric functions, basic things you have to understand it, yeah, but sometimes in some cases you have to use memorization. See, now cos A plus B value is cos A, cos B, minus sin A sin B. See, I understand the logic of how this came, but the explanation is quite easy, but bit complex. If you want, I can explain. Let me take my reference book for that, because I only know the formulas, not the derivation, because derivation is actually too hard. Yeah. See, in Singhage itself, derivation is not given. See, in Singhage itself, derivation is not given. That is the biggest problem here. Okay, but in my book, I'll see if there is derivation. Oh my God. Okay, I think the derivation will be there. Okay, it is there. I will explain. Okay, I will erase this board. Where is my duster? See, every 5 minutes I will be erasing with the wet cloth, because or else the surface will turn blue in color in the next video. Okay, See, now consider a rectangular Cartesian coordinate system OXY. See, this is what? A Cartesian coordinate system. Okay. So this is O point, X point, X axis and Y axis. Cartesian coordinate plane. Consider a unit circle in the coordinate plane with the center at the origin. Okay. I am not a perfect circle drawer. I will, but okay, wait. I can perfect it a bit, I think. Okay, yeah, it was the most perfect I can draw. Okay, I think I can draw better, but yeah, it will take some time to draw. Okay, I think this is perfect according to me. I think, okay. Let the coordinates of P be 1, 0. So 1, 0 indicates what? 1 is X coordinate and 0 is Y coordinate. So P, one point is there, X coordinate is 1, Y coordinate is 0. So P will come somewhere. Okay, this is unit circle. Sorry, I didn't see that. This is unit circle. So P will come obviously. Unit circle 1, 1 minus 1. Minus 1. Choose points Q, R, S such that POQ, POR and POS angles measured in anti-clockwise direction are respectively A plus B and 2 pi minus B. Okay, A plus B or 2P minus B respectively. So POQ one angle should be there. What is it? POQ one angle is, Q will lie somewhere here. This angle is A angle. POR, so POR some point I will keep it here. This angle is B. So total angle is what? A plus B. I think I don't need to write that. That is understandable. Yes. Next. POS is 2 pi minus B. 2 pi minus B. Okay. So that will come. Okay. B angle is like this. So I'll draw it like this. Okay. 2 pi minus B. 2 pi minus B. Okay. This is the angle. Or basically you can draw this as minus B itself. Okay. Yeah. Therefore, the coordinates of Q, R, S Q, R, S we have to find. What is the coordinates of Q, R, and S? Q coordinates can anyone tell? C. So this is Q, this is R, this is, yeah, like this. Okay. Yes. So the Q coordinates. So Q coordinates. Yeah. Is equal to, now Q x is what? Qx. So Q in the x direction is cos A, right? And the y direction it is sine. I think I don't need to explain this. For P, no, R we have to find. For R, this is A plus cos A plus B. And the other coordinate you guessed the sine A plus B. S value, this one, okay. B, see, look at this. This is what angle? 2p, 2 pi minus p. So the coordinates will be cos 2 pi minus p. What is cos 2 pi minus p? See, this is first quadrant, all is positive. Second quadrant, sin and cosec is positive. Third quadrant, tan and cot is positive. Fourth quadrant is what is positive? Cot and sec. So this is coming in the fourth quadrant. So which is positive? Cos and sec is positive. So cos B will be the first quadrant, comma. Second is sec, sine. My sine what? Sine 2 pi minus B is minus sine B. Understood? This is QRS. This is how to find. Now there is a law whenever it comes to circles. There is one radii, one more radia. There are totally 4 radias. How many? 4 radias. So 4 radias, whenever it is there in the circle, R and P are connected such that Q and S is same as R and P. R and P is equal to Q and S. R and P is basically equal to Q and S. Okay? Please note this down. Now, coordinate geometry, wait, 1 minute. Okay, see, I hope by 10th you have learned coordinate geometry, right? Coordinate geometry you have learned in 10th, right? I think this is 10th book. 10th book itself, this is Olympiad book. Yeah, coordinate geometry. See here, for this one, you know this formula. The distance between any 2 points, this distance if you want to calculate, see I put that RP is equal to QS I put. Right? Now, the distance between these 2 points given here, so one point is P1, PC. Now, if 2 points are having wait now Now distance between any two given points P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2, then P Q is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square minus y2 minus y1 whole square. Hope you have know this. I hope you know this. You learned in 10th, I'm sure. If you learned in your previous grade 10, 11th students. Okay? Yeah. I will erase this thing here. Yeah. Yeah. So now I want to find the distance between RP. So RP distance, P, what is the coordinates? 1, 0 given. Okay. R is what? R x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2 also same. So x2 is what? PR or RP? Okay. PR. Okay. R. I will take R as first. So R x1 value is what? x1 cos. Okay, I will write cos a plus. Okay, PR if you want, I will write cos a plus b minus 1 whole square. Cos a plus b minus 1 whole square. My plus or minus, I forgot. Okay, this is plus here. Plus already I wrote. Plus sine a plus b minus 0 whole square whole root is equal to whole root of, again, Q is what? Q is first point. Cos A minus S is cos B plus sin A minus sin. Okay, this whole square will come here, also whole square will come. In both sides, root will get cancelled. Root both will get cancelled. The next step will be, the next step itself will be, okay, the next step will be, see here, the next step in this step will be cos A plus B minus 1 expand. Cos square A plus B minus 2 cos A plus B plus 1 minus plus sin square A plus B is equal to this one. Now you expand. Cos square A minus 2 cos A 2 cos A cos B minus plus cos square B plus sin square A minus 2 sin A sin B plus sin square B. Okay? Yeah. So now these two will become 1. Cos square A plus B plus sin square A plus B will become 1. So 1 plus 1 again 2. So 2 minus, if I write here, I'll write down here. 2 minus 2 cos A plus B is equal to cos square A. Cos square A. Yeah, cos square A will come here. Sin square A. This will become 1 plus cos square B sin square B plus 1 again minus 2 sin A sin B minus 2 cos A cos B. Yes. So now The next step is, what can I do here now? It will become 2. Okay, wait. 2 to here from both sides, will it get cancelled? Yes. So then minus, 1 minute. Am I doing something wrong? Oh, here one mistake. It is plus sin A, sin B. It's sin A plus sin B, okay? So this will become plus, this also will become, no, this will become minus, this will become plus. Yeah. So now, this minus, this one will become minus, this one will become plus itself. And 2 will get cancelled. So cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Please note it down. Here is your full derivation. Is it visible? Yeah. Okay. Please note. I will only raise the top anyways. Okay? Yes. But anyways, please note. Noted? And people, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, okay? And if you don't know about me, my name is Maths Junior Wala, and I am your maths teacher. One day I think I will teach physics also one day. I think. But anyways, my name is Maths Junior Wala itself. Yeah. Next one, is your work. Okay? Next one is your work. Oh, wait, I have to rub it with dry cloth, right? Yeah. See. Now, cos A plus B we found. How to convert it to cos A minus B? In this case, replace B with minus B. You will get cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. One derivation. I definitely didn't sprinkle ink. Next one is your beautiful sign. Okay. Next one is your sun. Substitute now. This one is your word. Substitute A with pi by 2 plus A. you will get, in which equation, in which one, cos a plus b. Then you will get sin a plus b is equal to sin a sin b minus sin a cos b cos a sin b. Understood? Then if you replace with minus b in sin a plus b, if you replace with minus b, sin a minus b would be equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, yeah, I hope you understood this. I will erase the top. Yeah. Okay. Next one is our beautiful tan a plus b. Tan a plus b formula. Tan a plus b formula, how to do is, see here. Divide sin a plus b by cos a plus b. Divide. I will do this time. Please divide and tell me the answer. Okay, see. The const, see, after expanding, you have to multiply each term by cos A, cos B. Do it and check. Okay, done. If you did it, you will get tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. That's it. Okay, I have to put an underline. And similarly, you can substitute B as minus B and you can get, please note down. Yeah, you can get tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Done. Understood this? Yes. So this is about double angles. Okay. The multiplication things we will learn it in transformation. Okay, anyways we'll learn it now. It's okay. Okay, done. Yeah. Now I'm thirsty. I'll go drink some water and come, okay? I pause the video. Yeah. So now, anyways, let us continue. I will take two things. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. What will you get? Expand the term. Solve it. You will get sin square A minus sin square B, or else cos square B minus cos square A. What if you do the same thing for cos? You will get sin square A minus cos square B, or cos square A minus sin square B. Am I right? this is for sine and cos. This is basically transformations, but we will learn it more deeply next. Not next, next to next. After multiple and submultiple. Okay. What if you do for tan? Okay. I'll give you a work. Find it for tan a plus b, tan a minus b, and find these following values: cot a plus b, cot a minus b, and cot a plus b into cot a minus b. See, how is this the way how you did tan a plus b is equal to cos sin a plus b by cos a plus b equal to the same way, but you have to multiply one more constant. Think of that constant before multiplying. Okay? Yeah. That's your work. I'll give you a lot of works today. So multiple and submultiple onwards I will solve everything. Correctly, right? Okay. Yeah. I'll erase. Next question is, we know for sin a plus b, what is sin a plus b plus c? Oh my god, now we are cooking this stage. Are you thinking, right? See, take a plus b as one angle itself, take c as a separate angle, and then try to solve. When you solve, you will get sin a cos b cos c plus sin b cos c cos a plus sin c cos c sin c cos a cos b and minus sin a sin b sin c. I hope you understood this. You can also write it as sigma sin a cos b cos c minus sin a sin b sin c. Yeah. Enjoy. Okay? Okay? Enjoy your formulas. So I'm just making it easy for you. So you don't need to worry for your future of JEE preparation. Okay, anyways, I will put the ink inside the pen. Oh shit, in there. It's spilling there. Oh shit in there. I cleanings. I cleanings the floorings. No, okay. Yeah. if you want, you can fast forward the video. I'm doing some very important work here. Yeah. Anyways, now I'm sure this video will cut at least complete 1 hour at least. Yeah. Anyways, oh shit, in that let us erase in this. Next one is cos A plus B plus C value. You can do the same. Take AB as one angle, C as one angle. You will get sigma. No, you will not get sigma first. You will get cos A cos B cos C minus sigma sin A sin B cos C. Next one, this one you have to memorize. Tan A plus B plus C is equal to tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C divided by 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan B tan C minus tan C tan A, or you can write this as tan A plus B plus C is equal to sigma tan A minus pi tan A divided by 1 minus sigma cot tan A tan B. Okay, yeah, done. And same thing for cot. See, instead of tan they ask cot. If they ask, this will turn into cot. This also will turn into cot. This both will also turn into cot. That's it. Done. That is cot function. This is tan function. Correctly, right? Yeah. See, I wrote tan by cot. Don't write tan square. Okay? I just wrote this because if you write tan or if you write cot, the pattern will be same. That is what I meant. Can I? Okay. Yeah. So now we will start with multiple and submultiple angles. But you may ask, where are the important angles? I will explain it at the last. Okay? Huh? So now, here, I'm going to explain multiple and submultiple. Okay? Now, you finish your break, whatever you want. Go drink water. Go washroom, eat food. Okay. Yeah. Do not watch this video on 3x or 2. Not 3x. 2x. I heard that you're doing it every lecture. I see many people of my friends doing that. Okay. Yeah. So my wish is to not do that. That is bad. Okay. Yeah. Have enjoyed. Until that, I will be erasing my board to show you ASMR feelings. Right? Right? Correct? Right? Yeah. Who doesn't like ASMR satisfying feelings? My God. Yeah, where's my wood cloth? It's here. I think it's dirty. Okay, yeah. It's clean anyways. Finished your bricks. Yeah, we'll start it now. Not with a wet wall, with a dry wall. Yeah. Okay. I gave some examples at the first, right? Sin 2a, cos 3a, tan 2 theta by 3, sec 8 alpha by 3. I gave something like this, right? Today I'm going to teach you how to solve like these types. Okay? Yeah. Okay. First one, sin 2a. How to solve sin 2a? The basic question. Sin 2a value, see, I can write it as sin a plus a. Now you have learned compound angles in this video, you know. So, sin a cos a plus cos a sin a. So, sin a cos a, sin a cos a. So, what will become? 2 sin a cos a. Yeah. Understood this? Yes. So, this is sin 2a value. Now, I will write sin, now 2 sin a cos a. I will multiply cos and I will divide cos. Now this sign will stick with this sign. With this sign will stick with this cos. So this will become 2 sin by cos. Sin by cos is what? Tan a. Cos a into cos a, how much? Cos square a. Cos square a, what I can write it as? 2 tan a divided by sec square a. Sec square a, what I can write it as? 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. So now this is how to write sin 2a in terms of tan. In terms of tan. Understood this? This is very easy. Next one. So this is sin 2a. Please note down. Yeah. Next one. Next one. Cos 2a value. How am I supposed to write? Cos a plus a. Cos a plus a is what? Cos a. Cos a minus sin a. Sin a. It will become cos square a minus sin square a. Now this is one answer. Now I will write this in two ways. First one, cos square a, I will write it as 1 minus sin square a in minus sin a, sin square a, and I will write sin minus sin square a as minus 1 minus cos square a. Minus or 1 minus cos square a. Now this will become 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a. This will become 1 minus 2 sin square a. cos 2a. Now cos square a plus cos square a minus 1. 2 cos square a minus 1 cos 2a value. Now one more way I can write in terms of tan also. So 3 answers I found. There's a 4th answer also. Okay. Okay. How to write this in terms of sin array? K plus 2 tan a minus 2 is equal to 1 minus. Okay, multiply cos and divide by cos. 1 minus 2 sin cos minus 2 cos. How do we get tan cos 2a value? Cos 2a value, what we get? Okay, leave. This one I will explain later. First, now we'll come to tan 2a value. Tan 2a is what? Tan a plus a value. So this will become tan a plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a tan a. Tan a plus tan a 2 tan 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square is equal to tan 2. You know this, right? Now I will divide with this equation. I will take divide with 1 plus tan square on n is numerator, no, n is numerator, d is denominator. So 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. This is what? Tan 2a value. This is what? Sin. No. So this 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. So it will become sin 2a divided by 1 plus tan square a minus 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. So this tan 2a is equal to sin 2a by cos 2a. So I will compare with tan 2a. Sin 2a by cos 2a. Cos 2a. This 2 will cancel. This one will reciprocal. So this will become 2 cos 2a is equal to 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Correctly, right? Huh. No. Please note down. Yeah. Done? 3a value. How? So sin 3a value is sin 2a plus a we can write, or a plus 2a. Anything is fine. Right? Okay. So it becomes sin a sin 2 cos 2a plus cos a sin 2a. Now I want it in terms of sin. So sin a cos 2a, how can I write in terms of sin? 1 minus 2 sin square a plus cos a into 2 sin 2a, how can I write it as 2 sin a cos a, right? So now this one will become sin a minus 2 sin cube a plus this one will become same. No, yeah, no, cos square a into 2 sin a, right? Cos multiplication, cos square a 2 into 2 sin a. Sin a minus 2 sin cube a, cos square a, how can I write it as 1 minus? Cos square a I can write it as 1 minus sin square a I can write it as identities, right? Into 2 sin a. So this will become sin a minus 2 sin cube a plus 2 sin a minus 2 sin cube a. So now sin a plus 2 sin a, how much? 3 sin a minus 2 sin cube a minus 2 sin cube a minus 2 sin cube a minus 4 sin cube a. So therefore 3 sin a is equal to 3 sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Please note this down. I hope you understood this. Erase this. Okay, yeah. Now cos 2a value, cos 3a value we find. Okay, cos a plus 2a. So cos a plus 2 is what? Cos a, cos 2a minus sin a sin 2a. Right. So this will become cos a, cos 2b, how to write it? 2a, right? Cos 2a, how to write it in terms of cos a? 2 cos square a minus 1 minus sin a into 2 sin a cos a. 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus, this will become what? 2 sin square a cos a, right? So this one will become, now this sin square a I want to convert in terms of cos. So 2 cos cube a minus sin cos a minus 2 into 1 minus cos square a into cos a. So now 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus, this will become what? 2 cos a into 1 minus 2 cos a into 1 is minus 2 cos a minus 2 cos a into cos square a minus 2, my god, minus 2, why am I stuttering? Minus 2 cos a into minus cos square a plus 2 cos cube a. So this will become what? Like terms, cos square, okay, 2 cos cube a, 2 cos cube a, 4 cos cube a minus cos cube cos a, 2 cos a, 3 cos a. So therefore cos 3a function is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Done. Okay. This is a value for cos a. Done. Okay. Now next one. Okay, yeah. Same thing you can use for tan 3a. Tan 3a is equal to a plus a plus 2a. Tan a plus 2a. Tan a plus 2a. So the same thing you can do, tan a plus tan 2a divided by 1 minus tan a tan 2a. Okay, so tan a will remain the same plus tan 2a. How can I write it as? I can write it as 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 minus tan a tan 2a. I can write it as 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square. Okay, if you are fed up of doing with tan a, I can keep one value. N is equal to tan a. N is equal to tan a. Okay, please note this down. So tan a, which is n plus 2 tan a, so 2n divided by 1 minus n square divided by 1 minus n into 2n divided by 1 minus n square. Yeah. Now this one I can write it as 1 minus n square into n plus 2n divided by 1 minus n square whole divided by 1 minus n whole square minus 2n cube 2n square g. Okay, minus n square. So these two will get cancelled as obvious. Okay, next one, please note this down. Yes. Yeah. Now, oh my god, I forgot what I wrote. Okay, I write that here smallly. N plus 2n by 1 minus n square. 1 minus n into 2n by 1 n square. Okay, this one will become this one, right? So n into 1 minus n square plus 2n divided by 1 minus n square minus 2n square. Now this will become what? 1 minus n cube plus 2n divided by 1 minus n into n cube. N square minus 2n. This will become 3n minus n square divided by 1 minus 3n square, or 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. So tan 3a is equal to what? 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square. Please note this down. Yeah, okay. Yeah, coming back in 2 minutes. Oh, anyways, so now I will want to write cos 2a is equal to what? 1 minus 2 sine square a. So now, can you tell here, cos 2a, 1 minus sine, I want sine say, I want sine a. So I will transpose. So 2 sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a. Sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. Sine a is equal to root of plus or minus root of 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. This is one formula. Same thing if you find for cos a, you will get plus or minus root of 1 plus 2 cos a. Cos 2a divided by 2. Then for tan, what it will be? Root of plus or minus root of 1 minus cos 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a. Just divide these both functions, you will get tan function. Correctly, right? What did I just erase with? A duster. It dried already. Fine. Anyways. Now, what should I explain after this? Submultiple. Okay. So now multiple is done. Now it's submultiple. Now sine 2a, what is we found as 2 sine a cos. Okay. Now what is sine a formula? Sine a formula is 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2. Okay. What is cos 2a formula? Cos square a minus sine square a. Then cos a, what you will get as cos square a by 2 minus sine square a by 2. This is a way how to find functions. Okay, understood this? हाँ ಇಲ್ಲಿ Yeah. Oh, I forgot to on the video. Oh, no, it's on itself. Oh, okay. I didn't see that. Okay, anyways, now we're going to go useful angles. First, see, now I will tell there's some useful angles. 7.5 degrees, 9 degrees, 15 degrees, 18 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 36 degrees, 45, 54 degrees, 67.5 degrees, 81 degrees for some. Okay, 81 degrees is not that important. 81 is they won't ask. Until 67.5 they'll ask. Okay? Yeah, 1 minute. Okay, yeah. So now these angles finding. Okay. These angles finding is very okay. It's very okay to find it. First, let me find basic ones. Yeah. First one, I will find 15. Sine 15. Sine 15 is what? I can write sine 15 as sine 45 minus 30. Sine 45 minus 30. So sine 45 cos 30 minus plus minus cos 45 sine 30. What is sine 45? 1 by root 2. Cos 30 1 by 3 root 3 by 2. Correct? Root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 is what? 1 by root 2. Sine 30 is what? 1 by 2. So whole divided by root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is sine 15 value. Sine 15 value. Okay, I will cut this part. Okay, like this. Not the mobile, this part. Okay, this is basically cos 75. Cos 15 is equal to, when you do the same thing, you will get root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2, which is sine 75. Tan 15 is equal to sine 15 by cos 15. You will get root 2. 2 minus root 3 you will get. 2 minus root 3 you will get, which is equal to cot 75. And basic cot 15 is equal to root 2 plus root 3 is equal to cot 15. Understood? So this one is done. 4 functions. So 15 is done. 75. Oh, 75 I did, right? Okay. 75 is also done. Next one. Please note this down. Do not know the angles, just note this. Just write useful angle and start writing. See, what I'm telling is, please note down whatever I'm saying, because this may be very important. I did derivation for also U paper. I did the derivation also. Okay, so please leave some mercy also. Okay, yeah. Anyways, now we're going to go with next one. What is there in the book? Okay, 18 is there. Okay, 18. Okay, 18. So now how to deal with 18? See here. Let theta be 80 degrees. How many? 18 degrees. Now, what is 5 theta? 90 degrees. Absolutely nice. So this is 30. No, not 30. 3 theta plus 2 theta is equal to 90 degrees. That is what? 2 theta is equal to 90 minus 3 theta. Okay, this is we know. Now apply sine function on both sides. Sine 2 theta is equal to 90 minus 3 theta. When you put sine function, this will become cos 3 theta. So what is sine 2 theta? Sine 2 theta value is 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Hope you understood this. The next one what you have to do here is, transpose this one this side. So 4 cos cube theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 3 cos theta is 0. Now take cos common. Cos, you take common, so 4 cos square theta minus 2 sin theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Isn't this right? Yeah. Next one. Now either cos can be 0. Either cos can be 0 or see. So there are two cases. Cos can be 0 or 4 cos square theta minus 2 sin theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Here cos theta is 0. When is cos theta 0? When cos theta is 0, that time cos theta should be which value? Cos theta should be 0 and 90. Cos theta should be 90 for cos to be 0. But whatever angle it is given, 18 degrees. So cos is equal to 0 is not applicable. So that's why 4 cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta, 2 sin theta minus 3 is equal to 0. This condition we have to take. Please note this down. Yes, okay. So now, after taking that condition, the next step what you do is convert everything to sine terms. Convert everything to sine terms. So 4 into 1 minus sine square theta minus 2 sine theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Next one, 4 minus 4 sine square theta minus 2 sine theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, I would like you to take this 4 and put it that side. So minus 4 sine square theta minus 2 sine theta minus plus 1 is equal to 0. Currently, right? Plus 1 is equal to 0. So 4 sine theta, 4 sine square theta minus plus 2 sine theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Understood? Then next step what will I do is, I will find the roots of this equation. What is the root of this? What is one root? What is the root? X value is sine theta. So sine theta value, how will you find? Minus b minus 2 plus or minus root of b square minus 5. So 4 minus 4 into minus 1 divided by 2 into 4 value. So minus 2 plus or minus root of, I'm doing something wrong. I'll check. Okay, 4 plus minus into minus plus only, right? So 4 into 4, 16. 16 divided by 2 into 4. So now minus 2 plus or minus root of, now this will become root 20. Root 20, how can I take it? 2 root 5 divided by 2 into 4. So this one I can write it as root 5 minus 2 plus or minus, no, not minus 2, minus 1 plus or minus root of 5 divided by, no, plus or minus root of 5 divided by 4. See, I can't take, so now there are two roots of this equation. What is the two roots? Root 5 minus 1 by 4 and or minus root 5 minus 1 by 4. See, what should I take here? Now there are two values of sin theta. No, there is only one value. How? Because, see, 18 is what? Less than 90, 80 is there. So, less than 90, sign should be what? Positive. Here sign is what? Negative. So this I can't take, I can only take this. So therefore, sin 18 value is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay, this is separate. Which is equal to cos 50. Cos 90 means, what is 90 minus 18? How much? 2 cos 72. Okay. Okay, 72 also I can write here. Okay, right. 72 degrees, 75 degrees. Yeah. Cos 72 degrees. Done. Now, same thing you do for cos value. Okay. For cos value, for cos value, you can use cos 18 is equal to, cos square 18 is equal to 1 minus sin square 18 degrees. That means what? Cos square 18 degrees is equal to 1 minus 18 degrees is what? Root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So this will become cos square 18 is equal to 4 minus root, no, not 4, 16 minus 16 minus 5 minus 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 minus 1 divided by 16. So 11 plus 12 by 16. 11 minus 1, right? Okay, this will become 11. I'm just double checking, okay? By 12, okay. So this will become this. Now, 5 plus root 5 by 8. Correctly, right? What I did? 5 plus root 5 by 8 or 10 plus 2 root 5 by 16 is the correct answer. So I can write this as sin 70. Wait. I forgot to root it. Sorry, I forgot to root it. Okay. So this one, I will root this. For getting cos 18 value. I have to root this function. So this will become root of 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4. Or this can be also equal to sin 72 degrees. Tan 72 you want me, you can find. But it will take actually a lot of time. If you want to find. Or you can just write tan 18 degrees is equal to root 5 minus 1 divided by whole root of 10 plus 2 root 5. Done. Okay, done. No tension. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is it. We can do like this also. Root 5 minus 1 divided by root of, this will become root 5. No, wait. Take 2 root 5 common. 2 root 5 when you take it as common. Okay, I will erase the board. That time I will try. Okay. Can I erase this? Yes. If you didn't have time to copy, whatever I told you can write. Okay, basic. Okay, that's it. I don't need to take tension. Or just rewind the video if I didn't stop. Yeah, now next one. Root 5 minus tan 18 degrees. How many hours? 1 hour, 21 minutes. Tan 18 degrees is root 5 minus 1 divided by 2 2 root 5 into root 5 minus 1 whole root, right? So this will become root 5 minus 1 divided by 2 root 5. Oh my god, it's so confusing. This will become whole power half, and this will become root 5 minus 1 whole power half. So this will cancel. This will become again whole power half. It will become root 5 minus 1 divided by 2 root 5 whole root. Happy? What I can write this as? Cot 72. Okay. So this is 18 and 72 done. Okay. Okay. My back hurts. Okay, yeah. See here. Next one, what I will do is, you can see this thing. I will do this. Copy down. Okay, yeah. Next one, I am going to find whatever is in the order I am finding. 36 degrees. Okay. Now, sine cos 36 degrees. How I can write it as cos 2 into 18 degrees. So what I can write, cos 2 into 18 degrees or 36 degrees is equal to 1 minus 2 what is all this? 2 sine 18 sine square 18 degrees, right? Okay, so it will become cos 36 degrees 1 minus 2 into sine 18. Sine 18 value is root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square, right? Well, so 1 into 2 minus root 5 minus 1 whole square divided by 16. 8 is that? So 8 minus root 8 minus 5 plus 2 root 5 minus 1 divided by 8. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 plus 2 root 5 by 8. 2 plus 2 root 5, how much will I get? 1 root 5 plus 1 by 8. Root 5 plus 1 by 8, correct, only, right? Ah, 4 will come here. Sorry, 4 will come here. What I can write this as? Cos 36 I can write it as sine 54 degrees. Now what if it's sine 36 degrees? So if I want to find, I will write sine square 36 degrees. 1 minus cos square 36 degrees. 1 minus root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square, which is 1 minus 4 minus 5 minus 2 root 5 minus 1 divided by 16. Then here 16 will come, right? No. Okay, yeah. Anyways, now this will become 11. 11 minus 1, 10. 10 minus 2 root 5 by 16 whole root. Sine 36, not sine square, sine 36. Okay. Or I can reduce this root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. Done. Sine 36 is correct. Okay. So this will become what? Cos 54. Sine tan and that one you can do the same procedure. We'll try. Okay. Tan 36 is equal to tan 36 is equal to sin 36 by cos 36. Sin 36 is what? Root 5 plus 1 divided by root 5 plus 1 root of 110 minus 2 root 5 by 4 by 4. Cancel. Okay, yeah. Okay, can I erase? Okay, you know this down. Yeah, okay, I will erase this. This will become root 5 plus 1 divided by root of 10 minus what? Like I will write it 2 root 5 minus root 1. Okay, so this will become root 5 plus 1 by root of, okay, I'll just write root of as half value. So 2 root 5 whole power half into root 5 minus 1 whole power half. Okay, so now what to do? And 36 values are not given here. Okay, they are not given, they are down. Anyways, see here. So now this one I can expand it as like this, right? This one I can whole power, I'll half this one. Again I will write one more half. Correctly, right? You can do that. Next one I will erase this. Oh my god, bro. See here. So now this will become root 5 plus 1 by 2 root 5 whole root into, this will become root 5 plus 1 divided by whole power half root 5 minus 1 whole power half into root 5 plus 1 whole in power half root 5 plus 1 whole power half. So this will become, this I will write it as one constant x. Okay, here I will write this as one constant. Okay, anyways, next after that this will happen. So let x is equal to whole root of root 5 plus 1 by 2 root 5. Now correctly into, this will become what? Root 5 into root 5. Root 5 plus 1. Right? Divided by, this will become what? So root 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 power half is 2. 5 by 2. Okay? This one is value. So that now, what I can do is, can I cancel? Two things can I cancel? I can't cancel. So now, tan 36 degrees value is root 5 plus 1 divided by 2 root 5 whole root into root 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Am I right? This value you put, or I can write this as cot 54. Now only left is 7.5, 9.5, 7.5, 9, 22.5, 67.5. These two animals will finish in a pair. These two, I think it won't finish in a pair. Yeah, do it separately. Yeah, can I erase this? Yeah, I'll erase. Or I'll wait for some time. Okay, now I'll erase. Oh, now, next one is this value. So now how to find this value is, see here. See here, 22.5 degrees. So sine 22.5 degrees is equal to what? 1 minus cos 22.5 degrees. Can you double it and tell 22.5 degrees what will you get if you double it? 45. Very good. 45 by 2. This will become 1 minus 1 by root 2 by 2 whole root, which will become root 2 minus 1 by root 2 by 2. Correctly, right? I did. Yeah, correctly. Okay. Anyways, see here, now this will become root 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by half, 1 by 4, 1 by 2 whole root will become root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 sine value. What I can write this as? Cos 67.5 degrees. Now, cos 22.5 degrees. Okay, so it will become root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2, right? We calculate. Yeah, it will come same answer. But plus instead, it will become sine 67.5. Got that? Very nice. So now tan value I will find. Tan 22.5 value I will find. So this will become what? Simply by looking yourself I can tell. Okay, the value is whole root of root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1. You can do rationalization, whateverization you can do. Or this can become root 2 minus 1. How is this? Do rationalization. Oh yeah, correct. You will get root 2 minus 1. If you don't believe me, how I will tell. Okay. So into root 2 minus 1, root 2 minus 1. This one also whole root you put to balance it out. So this will become what? By 1. This will become 1 power half 1. Then this will become whole square whole root. Root 2 minus 1 done. This is what? Cot 67.5 done. Now these two also done. Last two remaining angles is this. What is 90 minus 8? How much you will get? 82 you will get. So 81.5 also will be there. 81 also will be there. 81 na? 81 and 81.5. Both will be there. Am I wrong or am I right? I think I'm wrong. Correct. Okay, yeah, anyways, can I erase this? Yeah. Now, when it comes to 1 digit degrees, it will come to the hard ones. Okay, try. Until that, let me see what we are doing. Okay. Before doing this, we'll derive some things. Okay? What is sine A as I explained? 2 sine and a half cos A and a half. A by 2. Correct, right? Then cos A, what will I get? Cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. Plus or minus? No. Cos. Okay, 1 is equal to what? Cos square A by 2 plus sin square A by 2, what do you get? 1. Okay, add these two. Add this two. So what will I do if I add these two? 1 plus sin A is equal to cos square A plus 2 cos square A plus 2 sin A square cos A square. Cos square A by 2 plus 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2 plus sin square A by 2. So this will become cos A by 2 plus sin A by 2 whole square. Right. So cos A by 2 plus sin A by 2 is equal to root of 1 plus sin A. Done. Understood this? Now I will ask one more thing. What is minus sin A? Minus sin A is minus 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2, right? Now you add these two equations. So 1 minus sin A is equal to the same thing, cos A by 2 minus sin A by 2 square. So what you will get? Cos A by 2 minus sin A by 2 is equal to root of 1 minus sin A. Done. This will become plus or minus. But for now you take it as plus itself. Okay, please note this down. Okay, yeah, come, done. Write down fast. I will give some time. Here. Now I will give you some task. Now cos 9 plus sin 9. Cos 9 plus sin 9 is what? Root of 1 plus sin 18. Find this value. Cos 9 plus sin 9 is equal to root of 1 plus root 5 minus 1 by 4 only, right? Am I doing correct? I am checking if I am doing correct or not. Okay, correct. Okay. Cos 9 plus sin 9 is equal to 4 plus root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole root. So it will become cos 9 plus sin 9 is equal to what? Root of 3 plus root 5 by root of 3 plus root 5 by 2, because 4 root is 2 itself. This is equation 1. Now next one what will I do is cos 9 minus sin 9. See, if I write sin 9, that will be indicating for me sin 9 degrees. When I write sin rad na, in radians when I write, I will write sin 9 C on top, or sin 9 rad I will write like this. Sin 9 rad. Okay, I know rad looks ugly. Sin 9 rad I will write. Okay, because be confusing. Okay, sin 9 degree minus cos 9 degree minus sin 9 degree is what? 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole root. What will become? 4 minus root 5 minus 1 by 1 whole root. Root 5 minus, correct only. I'm dumb. Plus root 5 minus 5 by root of 5 minus root 5 by 2. So this is our cos 9 minus sin 9. So this is our equation 2. Next question. Now can you please note this down? Yes. This whole part became blue in color. Nice. Okay. I will erase everything except equation 1 and equation. Now add equation 1 and equation 2. So, okay, this is cos 9, sin 9. Okay, cos 9, see. Yeah, cos 9 value, see. I was getting confused. Yeah, sin 9 will get cancelled. So I can write this as 2 cos 9 is equal to what? This you subtract from, no, this you add. So root of 3 plus root 5 plus root 5 minus root of 5 minus root 5 divided by 2. Sorry, yeah. So this will become what? Cos 9 degrees is equal to whole root of 3 plus root 5 plus whole root of 5 minus root 5 divided by 4 value. Will sign be exact opposite with the negative sign. See, now sin 9 you substitute in any one of the equations. any one of the equations you substitute, you will get answer. Any one of the equations you substitute, you will get answer. Okay. So I'll write that value here in the middle. The middle I will write. Or I can just do cos square, that is too hard. So sine 9 degrees is equal to 3 plus root 5 minus root of 5 minus root 5 divided by 4. Understood this? Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. So 9 degrees. So if you want to find the value of tan 9, just divide. Okay, I don't want to do it. Again, it will take one long process. Okay, so that's your work. Again. And the compound angles only I gave you much work, not here. Okay, please note this down. Yes. Now I will erase it. Last and final angle is what? 7.5 degrees. How to find this? I will see. Something is wrong with this thing. I will check, okay? For now, I'll check how to do the derivation, okay? So for now, you memorize this. Tan a by 2. Okay, wait 1 minute. I'll check the derivation until now, okay? In 2 seconds. Okay, yeah, I found the derivation. See here. Tan a is equal to root of 1 minus cos 2a divided by minus plus cos 2a, right? Now what is tan a by 2 formula? Huh? What is tan a by 2 formula? Root of 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. Now multiply the numerator as well as the denominator by 1 plus cos a. Now this will become 1 minus cos square a divided by, it will become 1 plus cos a whole square. 1 minus cos square a is sin square a. Sin square a root is sin a divided by, this will become 1 plus cos a. I hope you understood until here. Until here you understood, I hope. The next one will be, now to change, to what you have to do? Multiply what? Some constant you have to multiply. The constant is sec a minus 1. Multiply sec a minus 1 on numerator as well as denominator. I will take, so I can just see. In the book also they are not given derivation based fellows. Okay, see here. Okay, wait, 1 minute. Before doing all of this, I will divide the numerator as well as denominator by cos a. So this will become sin a by cos a we have to do. What is sin a by cos a? Tan a divided by, now 1 by cos a, sec a. Cos a by cos a, 1. So tan a by 2 is equal to tan a plus sec a plus 1. Okay, happy? Happy are you people? Yeah. Yeah, now I will go fill my ink. So until that you can note this down. Yeah. Now, after this, tan a by 2 is equal to, I said the same thing, multiply sec a minus 1. Sec a minus 1 on both sides. Plus, right? So here minus will come. To rationalize the what? To rationalize the denominator we need. Okay? So it will become tan into sec a minus 1 divided by sec square a minus 1. Sec square a minus 1 is what? Sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. Tan you transpose, 1 you take this side. So sec square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a. So this is what I can write it as. I can write that as tan square a. Now, this one here I will cancel, here I will cancel. So sec a minus 1 is by tan a we will get. So minus 1 plus sec a by tan a we will get. So when you convert this into a root, when you convert sec a into root of 1 plus tan square a, that will become either plus or minus will be absolutely right. Yeah. So now we got the answer as tan a by 2 answer we got. Here, okay, in this one, substitute the value as a is equal to, okay, now this one, tan, now let a be equal to, okay, this is separate, this is also separate, let a is equal to 15 degrees. So tan a by 2 is what? Tan 7.5 degrees tan 7.5 degrees is equal to what? 1 minus 1 plus root of 1 plus tan square 15 divided by tan a. Understood? This one, now tan 15 what I can write it as? 1 minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 2 root 3 whole square divided by 2 minus root 3. So 1 minus plus or minus root of 1 minus 2 plus 2 like plus 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3 plus 3. Okay, this is different. 4 root 3 plus 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. Look on 1 minus plus or minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 2 1 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 3 plus 2. So it will become 4 root 3 plus 2 divided by 2 minus root 3. Okay. Where is it? How can I write that as? Huh? How can I write that as? How can I? After, wait. Root 2 they are given. Okay. So 4 root 3 they have given. Plus 6 minus minus 2, right? 6 minus 2. Now, there's some mistake I am doing. Plus 4, okay, this will become 2. 2 I can write as 6 minus root 4. So root 6 minus root 4 only should be, right? This is not understanding. 1 plus, okay, 1 plus, right? 1 plus, okay. Plus will come here, minus will come here also. Here plus itself will come. Yeah. Now here, this will become 3 plus 3, 6. Now, what are we getting now? Root 2 plus 1 plus root 3. 2 plus 3 you will get. 2 plus 3 you will get. Result you will get. Okay, anyways, leave that. You will get root 6 minus root 2 whole square. This one you solve, okay? I'll check and try next video. Transformations I'll try how to solve this, okay? So 1 minus plus or 1 minus 1 plus or minus root of root 6 minus root 2 by 2 minus root 3, which is equal to root 6 minus root 2 minus 1 into root 2 minus 3. Root 2 plus root 3. Okay? Yeah. Then okay, so this is for tan 7.5. For cot 7.5, how to find reciprocal, okay? So this will become what? So this will basically become root 6 plus root. This will become minus root 6 or plus root 6. Okay, this will become root 6 minus root 4 minus root 3 plus root 2. Okay? Okay, yeah. So this will cot 7.5, what it will become? Basically it will become root 6 plus root 4 plus root 3 plus root 2. If you can't see tan, I'll write it again. Tan 7.5 is equal to root 6 plus root 6 minus root 4 plus root 6. Okay, I will dictate. Tan 7.5 is equal to root 6 minus root 4 minus root 3 plus root 2. I'll repeat again. Root 6 minus root 4 minus root 3 plus root 2. Okay? Yeah. Please note this down. And end of class. Okay. Thank you so much for supporting me. And anyways, meet you in transformations. Bye. Hey.